Hi all! This is a quick overview of my PLUSHIES amigurumi patterns that you can find on my channel and crochet them. All links are in the description. I'll start with the simplest no-sew patterns. Cute plush octopus, crochet quickly and easily. You can add different emotions by decorating the eyes. For many years, such octopuses have been a must-have for beginners and craft fairs. Next comes the chick, which is shaped like an onigiri, also without sewing and unnecessary hassle. Another amigurumi without sewing is a baby whale. Next comes the kitten's head keychain. You will need to sew on the ears, but a huge plus of plush yarn is that this is very easy to do. Pig head keychain is my most popular amigurumi tutorial on the channel. I'm sure you'll like it too. And this is a duckling. His Panama hat can be crocheted immediately together with the body, or can be crocheted without it. My favorite frog with a heart. The pattern is presented in written format, but there are supporting video tutorials, so beginners you can handle it. And the last one for today is a plush baby penguin. This pattern is available on my Patreon for super and mega support tiers. Join and receive new cool amigurumi patterns from me every month, such as penguin, capybara, and goose. And this is a little penguin crocheted, using the same pattern, but from thin cotton yarn. Subscribe, like, and enjoy crocheting with me. Bye!